story of the greedy woodcutter. A woodcutter named Ramlal lived in Sohanpur village. For his livelihood, he used to collect wood every day from the forest near the village and earn some money by selling it. This is how his life was going on. After a few days, Ramlal got married. His wife was very spendthrift. Therefore, it had become difficult to run the household by selling that much wood. On top of that, Ramlal's wife used to repeatedly ask Ramlal for money, sometimes to buy new clothes, sometimes for some other things. If she did not get the money, she would have been upset. Ramlal loved his wife very much, so he could not tolerate her anger. Ramlal decided that he would collect more wood and sell it, so that his wife would not face shortage of money every day. To fulfill his wife's wish, today Ramlal went to the dense forest and collected lots of wood and sold it in the market. When he got more money for more wood, Ramlal was happy and gave all the money to his wife. Now Ramlal started doing the same every day. In no time, his greed increased so much that he started cutting trees slowly. By cutting trees, more wood was produced and he started getting more price. The woodcutter would cut a tree every week and fulfill his wife's hobbies with the money he got from selling the wood. Now money was coming in more, so the house was also running well. Gradually, Ramlal started gambling the money. The addiction to gambling was such that Ramlal lost a hefty amount in it. Now to repay this amount, Ramlal decided to cut 1 or 2 thick trees. As soon as Ramlal tried to run his axe on a big tree in the forest, the branch of the tree attacked him. Ramlal is shocked. Then a branch of the tree wrapped him. Ramlal could not understand what all this was happening. Then a voice came from the tree.
"Fool, you are biting me because of your greed. You spend all the money in gambling and then come to cut trees to return the money. You know how precious trees are. Life resides inside us too, and we give you humans air to live, shade in the sun, and fruits to satisfy hunger. But you are cutting us for your selfishness."
The tree said,
"You stop today. I will now use this axe on you." The branch of the tree was about to attack Ramlal with the axe, when he started pleading.
He apologized and said,
"I made a mistake, but give me a chance to mend it. If you kill me, what will happen to my wife? She will fall alone. From today onwards, I take a vow that I will not cut any tree."
Hearing all this, the tree felt pity for Ramlal. He left Ramlal. As soon as he was released, Ramlal ran to his home and took a resolution not to get greedy for money. Learn from the story. One should not play with the environment out of greed. We get oxygen from trees only. By cutting them, we ourselves are bringing trouble in our lives.